Guess what? We got another loan program coming right at you, a brand new one. It's called the 321 First Time Homebuyer Program, exclusively here at Guild Mortgage. So let me tell you a little bit about it. So what we're trying to do is help first-time homebuyers that maybe wouldn't be able to buy a home right now because they have limited cash available to them. So this really wonderful 321 Homebuyer Program works like this. Minimum down payment is going to be 3%. It's a 30-year fixed rate conventional loan. At closing, we're going to give the first-time home buyer $1,500 credit that can be used towards either their closing costs or down payment, either one. At closing, or excuse me, after closing, we're also going to give them a $2,000, I said it right, $2,000 Home Depot gift card that they can use for some repairs on the property after they close. So here's a little bit of information about the program. It can be used on a single-family residence, condo, or townhouse. Buyer has to be a first-time home buyer. They actually get reduced PMI under this program as well. Gift funds are allowed to make up any of the difference in the cash to close. 620 minimum credit score, and then we go off of conventional loan limits as well. So there are some other guidelines that go along with this, but those are really the main ones. So if you have anyone that's buying their first home, interested in getting a closing cost credit, interested in a $2,000 Home Depot gift card, let me know. We'd love to help you. We can do the pre-approval for you right away. Hope all is well. Have a great day. Call us if you have any questions.